Meet the AERYS Digital Alarm Clock with built-in speaker, a smart and stylish addition to your bedside or workspace. More than just an alarm clock, this multifunctional device helps you stay organized and entertained throughout the day. Start your mornings right with the dual alarm feature, allowing you to set two separate alarms. Perfect for couples, families, or different weekday and weekend schedules. Enjoy your favorite music with the powerful hi-fi stereo speaker. Simply connect through Bluetooth or switch to FM mode to listen to your favorite radio stations anytime. Designed with convenience in mind, it also includes a built-in mobile phone stand, letting you place your phone securely for video calls, watching content, or bedside use. Need a clutter-free desk? The integrated pen holder keeps your essentials organized while saving valuable space. With its modern, compact design and USB-C charging, the AERYS Digital Alarm Clock is perfect for students, home offices, bedrooms, and workspaces. Simple, smart, functional. AERYS Digital Alarm Clock, the perfect combination of time, sound, and smart organization.
You entered Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connection is okay.
Red balloon! Yeah!
Johnny, Johnny,
Yum